If you're looking to enable low performance settings in League of Legends to improve your gameplay experience, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you adjust the game settings for better performance. Step 1. Open League of Legends. Launch the League of Legends client on your computer. Wait for the game to load and reach the main menu. Step 2. Access the settings menu. Click on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the main menu. This will open the settings menu where you can adjust various game options. Step 3. Navigate to video settings. In the settings menu, select the video tab. Here, you will find options related to graphics and performance settings. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Look for the graphics quality section. Set the graphics quality to low or very low to reduce the visual effects and improve performance. You can also lower the resolution if necessary. Step 5. Save and apply changes. After making your adjustments, click the apply button to save the changes. Exit the settings menu and start a game to see if the performance has improved. By following these steps, you should be able to enable low performance settings in League of Legends, leading to a smoother gaming experience. Enjoy your game.